Albany.
Oh? What is this? Is this a watch? Or is this a warning? Hold on. Oh, it's the watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 607, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
607.
This watch includes the following county: Columbia, New York.
Wow, only...
Remember, a severe thunderstorm
Only one
watch
county.
means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Only Columbia.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. I think that's the first ever one county watch ever. At least on WXL 34.
And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast.
Wow.
Here are the 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight
That's my first watch in a while.
observations. At Albany International
Severe thunderstorm
Airport,
watch number 607, and it's only for one county.
the temperature was
Well,
62
not literally
degrees,
one county, but for WXL 34 it
relative
is.
humidity 87%.
I feel like that's my first ever one county watch on WXL 34. Usually at minimum it's two, but
Pressure was 30.01
wow, that was
and
something.
rising.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. We made it to 1300!
At Bennington, Vermont, it was
I mean, I guess that's something, I guess. So,
At Glen
cool.
Falls, rain. Expect wind damage to roofs,
I
siding, and trees.
freaking
Locations impacted
freaking issues of freaking severe thunderstorm warning right after. Are you serious?
Pine Plains, Claremont, Red Hook, and Cram, Lake
What is
Katrina,
this?
Stratford,
Oh, it's a severe
Fort
thunderstorm
Ewing,
warning
Esopus,
for,
Bethel, Milan, Hillsdale,
Columbia, Dutchess, and Ulster.
Tripoli, Rolling Meadows, Patchen Mills,
Oh my
and
goodness.
Crimdale. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
What?
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Is tornado possible?
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection,
I really
move to
wish
an
it wasn't so
interior room
glitchy,
on the lowest
though.
floor of a building.
Wow.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in New York, Columbia, Dutchess, and Ulster.
Columbia, Dutchess, and Ulster.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East
Tornado warning! Columbia!
Ulster County in East Central New York, Northern Dutchess County in East Central New York, Southern.
Tornado warning for Columbia and Dutchess. Holy frick. Oh my god. This is action now.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for Northern Dutchess County in East Central New York, Southwestern Columbia County in East Central New York, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Red Hook or near Winnipeg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Oh my god.
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pine Plains around 1:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and Cram around 1:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Boquertown, White House Crossing, Patchen Mills, and Crimdale, Curly's Corners, Dutchess County Fairgrounds, Wheat Mines, Linden Acres, Prairieville, and Mount Riga.
I was not
Take
expecting
cover
this.
now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in New York, Columbia, and Dutchess.
Columbia and freaking Dutchess is now under a freaking tour.
The National Weather...
Oh, another one? There's another one?
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for
What the frick? Another one?
Connecticut, southwestern Berkshire County in western.
There's another tornado warning? What the
Dutchess
frick?
County in east central New York, southeastern Columbia County in east central New York until 2:30
It's for Columbia
Eastern
again.
Daylight Time. At 1:45 p.m.
Litchfield,
Eastern
Connecticut,
Daylight
Berkshire,
Time,
Massachusetts, and
a
Columbia and
storm
Dutchess,
capable
New
of
York.
producing a tornado was located
What the
in
frick? There's two of them
15
now?
miles southwest of Great Barrington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
What the heck?
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail.
And it has quarter-size hail this time.
Radar indicated rotation.
What in the heck?
Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous
Bro,
to those
this
caught without
the
shelter.
storm ain't playing,
Mobile
bro.
homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage
Oh
to
my
roofs,
god.
windows, and vehicles will occur.
What the frick?
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sheffield and Ashley Falls around 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include
This is a
Lake
slight,
House
by the
Crossing,
way.
Uncromdale,
I've never had a slight
Sheffield,
this
Hartsville,
over
Concord,
before.
Wangham Village, Gilmora, Wheat Mines, and Spencer Corners.
Oh my god.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Wow.
Avoid windows. Protect yourself.
Oh,
from
bro, cut
flying
off for a
debris.
second.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia and Dutchess, and Litchfield, Connecticut, and Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Wow, I was not expecting a second one. What the heck?
The National
Oh god. We got a Boston tour now.
Northwestern Franklin County in western Massachusetts. 2:45 Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:14 Eastern Daylight Time, a severe
Okay, I have to hold the
thunderstorm
antenna.
producing a tornado was located over Plainfield, 412 miles southeast of North Adams, moving northeast at 35
We got a
miles
Boston
per hour.
tour now.
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Ashfield, Colleen, Charlotte.
Oh my god, we got a Boston tour now.
Eastern Daylight Time. Greenville around 2:35 Eastern Daylight Time.
Reception's not that great
Move to a basement
on
floor
Digital F48.
on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
Probably
in a
kinda
mobile
hear it.
home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh my goodness.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern
Like Franklin,
Daylight
Hampton,
Time for
Hampshire?
all counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Hampshire.
Oh no, just Franklin and Hampshire. Alright. Wait, what? Double header? What is this? Oh, Berkshire. It's Berkshire. It's another tornado warning. We have another tour for Berkshire.
Moving east at 25 miles per hour.
Oh my god.
Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source.
Why's
radar
reception
indicated
gotta be so crappy?
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh, there we go.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will
I don't know what the
occur.
frick happened to Digital F48's reception yet. Oh, never
This
mind.
tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Berkshire County, including the following locations. New Boston. Elmtree, Four Corners.
Bro cut off. I heard that.
Corners, North Otis, Mortville, Free Quarter, and Worcesterville. Take cover now. Move to a basement floor and to a room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move
Alright,
to
come on,
the
Digital F48. Tornado warnings galore, I guess. Oh my god.
Time for the following county: Berkshire, Massachusetts.
Berkshire, Massachusetts. Triple? What the heck? Another tour. What the frick? Oh, this one's for Hampshire and Hampton. Oh my god, Boston and Albany. I hope you guys can hear this well.
Tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation.
Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind.
Flying debris will be dangerous to
It
those
came back
caught
for a
without
second,
shelter.
but
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
oh my god.
This dangerous storm will be near Russell, Granville, Chester, Blandford, and Tolland around 2:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Westfield, Huntington, and Montgomery around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Southwick, Southampton, and West Hampton around
Wow.
2:35 p.m.
Well, this is
Eastern
something.
Daylight Time. Northampton and East Hampton around 2:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Holyoke, West Springfield, and Chesterfield around 2:45
I want to check IEM bot.
Williamsburg around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I want to check IEM bot so I can.
Move to a basement floor and interior room on the lowest floor of
Oh my
the
god.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Bro, cut off. Quadruple! My first ever quadruple header. Or is it? Oh my god.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Oh, it's an Albany
northern Richfield
SVR.
County in northern Connecticut, eastern Dutchess County in east central New York until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight
It's an Albany SVR, but oh my god.
Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located
What the frick?
in quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
God, I wish this reception wasn't so crappy, bro.
Damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh, come on.
Include Warrington, Ammonia,
I think it's for Litchfield, I think.
Village, Cornwall Bridge, Winston, Dover Plains, New Hartford Center, Northwest Burlington, Salisbury, Goshen, West Torrington, and Wrightsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Litchfield, Connecticut, and Dutchess, New York.
Oh, Dutchess, New York, and Litchfield. Quintuple!
Impact, hail damage.
Oh my god.
is expected.
My freaking storage got full as the freaking headers were coming in.
Entries.
But this is a quintuple header. A five alerts in a row right there. Oh my god. WF48 cooks. Hold up, I need to check that real quick.
For your protection, move to an
Okay.
interior room on the lowest floor of the
I
building.
think that might be it.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15
I think that might be it.
time for the following counties: Litchfield, Connecticut.
And Dutchess, New York. Alright, I think that might be it. That's gotta be it, right?
The tornado
Oh my god, finally.
Central Litchfield.
Oh my god, a quintuple header on WWF 48. What the frick? That's a first for me. I've never seen that ever. Oh my god.
On the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall.
Oh my god, another SVR.
And may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating. A has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Texas, Massachusetts,
And Hartford, Connecticut.